Alright, I'd like to say good morning, but I think it's really close to noon, to be honest with you. It is actually Saturday today. Don't know what day it is when this gets released. Anyways, what I've been doing is I've been doing this morning is I cut a bunch of studs for this higher ceiling portion. I've laid out all my plates. I got my plates all marked out and the cap plates cut. I got they're actually about a 10-foot stud, and now I just got to grab the 9-foot studs and I'm going to bring them to the back window with the machine, and then we'll get putting this stuff together. Oh, just another absolutely beautiful day. Light breeze. Loving it. Okay, now we can start building. Okay, all the interior walls are built. They're all hanging out here. We'll install this first one together with you on my forehead, and this wall goes there. It's a coat closet.
So I don't know if I've ever told you, but I actually don't put in my door sills. I stopped doing that about a year ago, I guess, maybe a little more. And when I do the back framing, that's when I put all the upper portion of the door ROs in.
Okay, well that was fun, spinning it. Oops, sorry. Okay, that was fun. Bring all this hose in here, seeing as that it comes over the wall in here. Okay, so now you'll go into the corner there onto your time lapse. Alright, that was another successful day. We are on day 7 on the Heli home. Heli is short for Halifax Road, I think. I'm not sure. This is going to be the show home. And yeah, that's the interior walls. I think it's probably 4 o'clock and I'm going to go home. Bye for now.